Welcome to Magnet Talks at Molineux, the home of Wolverhampton Wanderers. My name's Carl and I'm really looking forward to meeting all of you today. This event really is for us to engage as much as possible with our customers. We really want to understand from the customers what their challenges are, what their requirements are.
We're doing so much in the products, we're updating them constantly, we're adding exciting new features, and it's easy to miss that with busy jobs and you're just trying to get through the cases.
Having the ability to be able to have a frank conversation with someone face to face about the issues they're struggling with or the software tools, it's invaluable to be able to do that.
Coming to this event has really made me stop and think about that challenge is no longer just what historically was the digital forensic lab problem, it's a whole enterprise level problem now, because the products that we historically use within the labs are now right at the forefront of an investigator's toolbox when they're doing their digital investigation.
Today's been brilliant, like just being able to kind of get used to the software and seeing it in action, and also the opportunity to network with people. It's been really fantastic.
The variation of the talks and the variety of the different events and the getting some information about the products has been very insightful.
As a university, it's really useful to be able to network with police officers and law enforcement within digital forensics. It's also really good to be able to get hands-on experience with software that you wouldn't necessarily be able to do as a lecturer.
Our customers are really doing very important work that impacts lives around the world, and we're very thankful to them for the work that they do and thankful that they allow us to be part of that.